beef jerky with ground beef. Super simple, anyone can do it. Just follow these steps. For this jerky, I'm gonna use some ground beef, 5% fat and 10% fat. Just flatten your ground beef. Just with your hands. Just use your hands. The flatter you make it, the faster it will be done. You don't have to look anything perfect, okay? Just keep it very simple. Flat it out. We're gonna season it and put it in the smoker. For the seasoning, I'm just gonna use salt on the right one, on the lean one. Just a generous amount of salt on both sides. We're gonna turn this. I'm gonna turn them on the smoker. Just a little bit salt, but actually, you know. This is how much salt you want to cover it. I'm gonna add some garlic on the left one. A little bit more flavor. Some cumin. I love cumin on beef. Cumin is delicious on beef. This is the same herb I use for brisket when I smoke brisket. Good amount of cumin. And some pepper. A little bit of pepper. Not too much. Remember, it's very thin, guys. You don't need a lot of seasoning. Just like that. This is the most important step. Take one, do not hesitate, do not overthink. Put your hands down and just flip, okay? Do not hesitate, you have to just do it. Like that. That's one. No hesitation. Just do it. Do not overthink, do not be careful, just flip them. That's it. Voila! This is the good grade. Do not hesitate, just flip them. Voila! That's it. Now we have turn them around with the salt, generous amount of salt. Voila, and we still got one more. That's it. Close the smoker and do not open the lid before 3 hours. Do not open. I repeat, do not open for 3 hours. Right, we're at the 3-hour mark. Open the lid and you can clearly see this one is done. You can do the bend test. That's how you check it's done. Bend it and it should barely break. This might be a little bit overdone, but it's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. You can pull those. I can see this is a little bit more wet, so we're gonna let it go. Those 10% pieces, 10% fat, need more time. Both of them, so we're just gonna let them be. Actually move this one down here. It's a little bit more heat down here. There you go. I'm gonna pull this. And just like that, after 4 hours and 45 minutes, we are done. Look at that. So the first batch finished at 3 hours and 3.5 hours. These two with 10% fat took 4 hours and 45 minutes. I think that's gonna be the last time I use 10% fat. So if you can, guys, use 5% lean ground beef. But they are delicious. It just takes more time. I'm gonna cut this up. They are beautiful, very tasty. This one was with salt, garlic, pepper and cumin. Thank you so much for watching. I see you on the next video.